being in the classroom. I've missed my students. Even if I've enjoyed having the time off with my two little ones, I've got a 6-month-old and a 2.5-year-old. So the time off has been so fun to spend time with them, but I'm also really missing teaching. So I'm so happy that you're going to be coming in next week. I know that I'll meet several of you on Monday, some Tuesday. My remote students, I'll be conferencing with you so we can chat more then. Some of the things I'm most excited about coming back to are seeing my friends as I know you are. I wanted to at least offer you a little bit of comfort, seeing the room, seeing me, so that next week when you come, it's not the first time seeing myself in your room. We know you're nervous about coming back, but we can't wait to meet you.